Hello everyone, this is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle. Just a quick video today about some money maker that I found out, and it's quite interesting. First of all, you'll need, for it to work, you'll need Binance Smart Chain compatible wallet. So there are many possibilities. The two most popular are MetaMask, and in order to use MetaMask, you'll need to put a BSC mainnet settings. So you'll need to go here and set it. It will be in the description of this video, so I won't talk about it now. And the other option is Trust Wallet, and it's easier with Trust Wallet. You just need to go here, find Smart Chain, yeah, this one here, enable it, and if you see it here, then you need to deposit your BNB from, let's say, Binance exchange. But remember, it's not the same BNB, because this is a BEP-20 token, and you need to transfer it as a BEP-20 token. It's on Binance, in the settings. So yeah, that's what you need to do. There will be a tutorial from Binance. The link will be in the description of this video. So this is what you need when you have your BNB deposited to your wallet. I suggest MetaMask because it works better. There are some issues with Trust Wallet, but you can run a mirror, because they have two mirrors in case of DDoS attack or whatever. Alright, so this thing is like taking off really fast. It's been on the market for like 2 days, almost 3 days. I am like doing a second cycle right now because I really like the 1-day plan they have. Because it pays like, well, in the beginning it was 10%, but it goes up 0.5% every 24 hours. But like it's not after 24 hours, it's constantly going up. So soon it will be 11% profit from the 1-day plan. And well, this is what I've been doing here. So I've been going into this plan, and I just thought of a strategy to go, and it's the safest strategy I could find for it, because if you constantly go, like you're doing cycles on this first plan, so let's say you'll do it for 7 days, for 7 cycles, then you'll get a very similar return to this one, because you're gonna like reinvest what you've earned. So let's say you'll have 1 BNB, then on the second day it will be 1, and then it will go, and each day the percentage will be higher. So that is why I'm only choosing this plan, because here for 3 days I'll get like 22%. So for 3 days here cycling I'll get more than 30 with reinvestment. And I can always take my money every day, each day, when at the end of each cycle. So that's the safest way to go for me, but maybe someone is lazy enough, just wants to put money here for 7 days. Yeah, you can do that as well. These last 3 plans, well, I guess they are too risky, because just because these plans exist, comparing it to other ROI contracts on BSC network, like bnbstake or fomostake or whatever. So this one has really short plans, so where there is slightly higher risk that the balance can be depleted faster. But right now we are in the very beginning, so I guess the strategy going into cycles for 1 day, and deciding after each cycle are you going to, you know, take your money, or, you know, just go for one more cycle? So that's the strategy. I think is the best here. But no, decision is yours. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only an investor here, like you. If you decide to invest here, this is, you know, this is gonna work until the balance will be here on the contract. You can go to the contract here. You can see the transactions. Basically, look, someone deposited 122 BNB. What you can do, also we can check which plan he chose. You know, if you go here into logs, and I'll go, yeah, of course the first plan, you know, because he'll have like 12 or whatever BNB tomorrow, so that's very fast, you know. So that's what people are doing. But I've seen some YouTubers, you know, going into a 7-day plan. One even went into 28-day plan. So, you know, for me, you know, like the risk level will go up after day 5 or day 10. You know, we will see how the balance will, you know, if it's going, probably it will go up, you know, for some time. But then, if, you know, there will be times when people will be taking a lot of profit from this one plan, 1-day plans, and then we could see, you know, like balance going lower for some amounts of time. So that can create panic. You know, people are greedy, and, you know, I can see it is very popular. People like it. There were some technical issues, you know, in the beginning, but I went very fast, and well, I'm gonna, you know, just, I decided, I tested withdrawals, you know, I tested the referral program, everything works. So well, I'm gonna go deposit some more right now. I have also, you know, almost 0.1 BNB to withdraw soon, because, you know, it goes very fast in the 1-day plan. So I'm gonna deposit 0.3 BNB here, just to show you how it works. And, you know, after 1 day I will get this amount. I mean, I will get it, you know, I will be getting some, you know, each like minute. So, you know, it will go gradually, you know, so I can withdraw basically anytime I want the dividends, you know, and dividends include my deposit. All right, so my wallet is connected. Yeah, I'm staking this BNB for 1 day. There are some fees, of course, you know, but they are not too high. So if you want to go into this 1-day cycles, remember to deposit at least, I know, half a BNB, you know, to cover the fees. Because if you deposit a minimum, which is 0.05, the fees will be high enough to take some of your profit. All right. Okay, so in like a few seconds it will be active, and I'll see my stake amount will go higher. There will be also like a window confirming your transactions, and as you can see, my stake just went up. I will, you know, probably decide each day for how much am I gonna go, you know. You know, I'll see if this thing has power to go for like 10 days, then maybe I'll do 7 cycles here. Yeah, that's my initial plan. If it goes better, maybe I'll change my decision, but that's my initial plan. You know, you always need to have strategy for everything, for trading, for like investment platforms. So this is what I do. Cheers, guys. Have a nice day.